Modern periodic table. The modern periodic table is a tabular arrangement of elements based on their atomic numbers, organizing them into periods and groups. It reflects the periodic trends and relationships between elements, providing a systematic framework for understanding their properties and classification. Cause of periodicity. The properties of elements depend on the number of valence electrons. When the elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic numbers, then the elements having same number of valence electrons occur at regular intervals. The properties of elements get repeated after interval of 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. Salient features of modern periodic table. The vertical columns in the periodic table is known as group and the horizontal rows is known as periods. The vertical columns in a periodic table are called groups. There are 18 groups in the long form of periodic table. These groups are numbered 1 to 18. Elements belonging to the same group are said to constitute a family. Some important chemical families are 1. Alkali metals, Group 1. 2. Alkaline earth metals, Group 2. 3. Boron family, Group 13. 4. Carbon family, Group 14. 5. Nitrogen family or pinctogens, Group 15. 6. Oxygen family or chalcogens, Group 16. 7. Halogens family, Group 17. 8. Inert gases or noble gases or rare gases, Group 18. Characteristics of groups. 1. Group number 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 are known as main group elements or representative elements. These elements have their outermost shells incomplete. 2 elements of group number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are known as transition elements. They have their outermost as well as the prior to outermost shell, i.e., penultimate shell, are incomplete. 3 elements in the zero group, group number 18, are called inert gases or noble gases because owing to their stable electronic configurations they hardly react with other elements except helium which has 2 electrons. 4 elements within the same group of the modern periodic table share similar valence electron configurations. This similarity in electronic configuration gives rise to similar chemical properties and reactivity among the group members. 5 elements in a group often exhibit a gradual change in physical properties, such as atomic size, melting point and boiling point, as we move down the group. This trend is due to the increase in the number of electron shells as we descend the group. Periods. The horizontal rows of elements in the periodic table are called periods. There are 7 periods in the long from a periodic table. 1 IST period contains 2 elements. It is called very short period. The second period and third period contains 8 elements. Both these periods are called short periods. 3/4 period and 5th period contains 18 elements. Both these periods are called long periods. 4/6 period contains 32 elements. It is called very long period. 5/7 period contains 32 elements. This period is also called very long period. Characteristics of periods. 1. The arrangement of elements into periods follows the periodic law. which states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. 2. Each period represents a specific energy level or electron shell occupied by the element's electrons. As we move across a period from left to right, the energy level increases, resulting in the addition of electrons to higher orbitals. 3. Elements within a period exhibit a gradual change in properties as we move from left to right. Atomic size generally decreases, while ionization energy and electronegativity tend to increase. 4. The first 2 and last 6 elements in each period are known as representative elements or main group elements. These elements display a wide range of chemical properties and tend to form predictable compounds.